What's up, y'all? We're currently at 30,155. I want to show y'all, excuse this mess, show y'all the trend line I drew down here at our lowest point, which was, can't even tell where it is. It was our lowest point. I forgot what it was. It was like exactly 1040. I drew that all the way going up here. It followed it for a solid hour, right to this wick. And then I drew this one that goes right here, and currently it's following it. And this was at Bitcoin and Ethereum's lowest point on 8/13/118. And now it seems to be following that. Now this is the lowest one I drew, the bear pattern going from, let's see, it was going from this right here all the way to here. Now as you can see, it looks like it's following this lowest pattern from 1040.63. Now I don't know what to tell y'all. It could just be a fake bull trap, but I don't know. These trend lines seem to work. So you just take that bottom wick and pull it up all the way. Try to hit as many of these candlestick things coming out as you can, and bam, we're gonna test. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's testing it right now. We're at 30,444. And are we gonna break or are we gonna go down? Let's see. Okay, we just broke it. Let's go closer, let's break it. Okay, and now look at this. Seems like there was a lot of selling pressure today. Selling pressure was very high around this time. It has gone down and now it's a green market. I don't know if it was China selling off or Asia or someone, but let's see if we could hit it. So we're at 30,483. I predicted it with these trend lines. Hopefully these trend lines hold true, because this is the lowest point we have hit right here. And let's see if you did not sell in this area. We could be seeing, let's see what we could be seeing. Let's forecast it right now. Forecasting 23 in about 30 minutes. Let's see. Look, we're breaking through. Okay, in about 30 minutes we could be seeing. Around 11:55. Oh, we're actually not in like literally 4 minutes we could be seeing 11:55. Then if you want to do roundabout numbers, at about 9, we'll be seeing 1,180. If we follow true, which we are following pretty true to this right now. Now this is going to go up and down. This is going to go down, up, because people are going to sell for their quarterly, hourlies. But, as you can tell, I drew the bear line and the bull line, and it met right here. And look what happened right here. It shot up. Now, let me see. We're at, what did I say? 11:50. In about 15 minutes, we'll see around 11:50 if this doesn't go fully down. Yeah, it looks like it's going down. Let's see if this follows out. We could draw another trend line just cause. Let's draw it. Press this. Draw this trend line. Hit this wick. And let's go right here. Now let's go zoom out to about 15 minutes. I know I drew a bunch of trend lines for no reason. Anyway, so this trend line I just drew. I don't know why I drew it right here. There you go. Okay, this trend line I just drew should be pulling us up. If if I drew a trend line that goes down this, I could draw one from right here, just in case you want to see if we're going down or not. I'll draw it from here. Try to hit. We should not drop below this. Let's see. I'm about to see it live right now. If it starts dropping below it, we should get a little bit worried, but not too worried. Well, let's see, we're waiting. We might touch, test. Market volume is a little bit lower right now. We might break it. Okay, we're going down. Okay, nothing to worry about. If you've survived this long, we just hit lows in the past 2-3 weeks. Look at that, the trend is testing, but it's going up. Look at that. All right, if you learned anything from this video, it is draw the lines. Sometimes they'll help you, sometimes they won't. Obviously, these lines aren't magic. And most people aren't gonna tell you about this. I actually shout out to Joey Wint. He showed me a lot about these trend lines. Now, my trend lines are all over the place. They're not as good as his. But then again, check him out on YouTube, Joey Wint. Then again, it did work. Now, if you were doing, I have money in this I'm holding, but if you were trying to get that quick money right here, you could have done it. Now, if realistically, you would probably start this one right here and bring it down. But I'm doing optimistic trend lines for myself. But as you can see, it's holding pretty well. I don't know why I drew that random trend line. Let's just go over it. Okay. So right now it's holding again. Seems to be struggling. Let's look at the value of Bitcoin right now. Its market cap is volume. Okay, it seems like it's going down, but it's going up in the past. A couple. Let's see over here. Shoosh. I don't know why I'm at this. Let's go to global ranking. And cryptocurrency market. All assets. Okay, Bitcoin is at 13 right now. It's pretty down. That is okay. Let's see where Ethereum is at. Oof, we just hit 100. Dang, it is down today. It almost is getting kicked out. Maybe that's one of the reasons making it so volatile. But it is truly okay because it is still testing that trend line we drew. Okay, now it's trying to dip below it. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's see, okay, so we could draw another trend line going here. Now let's see what's going on. Here we go back up. Looks like we are going back up. Let's try to push. And I will do another trend line once I paint more of these candles. This is a... Getting past 30,000 will be a mental challenge. Because we have just hit 28,000 on Bitcoin, 28,000 something, 28,700. We hit Ethereum, 1,040. So right now it's all a mental game. And I will get back with y'all on another video, but if you help